So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're finally bringing Haks Evo 8 back onto the channel. So you guys haven't seen Haks Evo in a while because it was currently at a workshop getting some parts installed and also getting a new tune as well. So some of the parts he got installed are some Kagevell cams, Evo 9 turbine, a screamer pipe and some exhaust system as well. Everything else is all stock. Like I said, the car got tuned. I think it's pushing about 216 so yeah, so I know for some of you guys that power might not be much, but for daily use it's pretty good, and from what he came from stock it should be good as well. So yeah, it's early morning right now. We're just gonna wait for Hak to pick us up and we're gonna bring the GoPro along, bring this camera along, and hopefully we can get some first impressions. So yeah, we'll wait for Hak and then we'll head to the workshop and pick up the car. But here it is at Prestige Performance Haks Evo. Looks the same, but what's underneath matters, eh? Alright, first startup boys, let's go! Oh, it must be nice! Must be nice! Did you guys hear that cam, bro? Bop, 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 bop. Damn, those Kagevell cams coming in clutch. Oos. Look at him, happy guy, huh? Oh, how does it feel? Bro, it's cool. So yeah guys, I don't know how well you guys could hear the cams, but bro, it sounds amazing in real life, 100 times way better as well. Wow, look at it, I can just full hear it. Also, like I said, this thing has a screamer pipe in it as well, and it's also got an exhaust system as well. Exhaust isn't too loud, so it's kind of good, but hopefully when the screamer opens up, oof. Oh, sheesh! Oh, no f***ing way. Bro, I'm fucking shaking, bro. Bro, it sounds so like good out there, like it doesn't feel like the numbers, bro. Yeah. Yeah, so like I said, it was only pushing what, 216, yeah, 219, but for daily use it's pretty good, and compared to, you know, when you came from stock, yeah, like obviously it's not like up there with the other big boy stuff, but just remember he's still on like stock injectors and all that, still 98. But anyways, yeah, this car sounds amazing. Oh my god. Sheesh. So I know it sounds good, let's see if it goes alright. I shouldn't. Windows down. What the fuck? Oh. It must be nice. Oh bro, it feels good. windy, but I wanted more of that experience, you know. So hopefully you guys can hear it. Hopefully the audio wasn't muffled, but oh, bro, it stank now. It's chassis. That's clean.
Clean, bro.
Bro, that S15, oh, I wish I recorded it. It was the cleanest. Usually they're clapped out, you know? But this one was clean. Wait, so you reckon it was worth it?
100% worth it, bro.
Wait, so what was done to it?
So we got high flow cat, front pipe, a screamer pipe, Evo 9 turbo, some Jasma cat back, and 272 careful cams, and yeah.
This is what you get. Divine, mate. Divine.
My heart is like beating, I'm shaking,
Thanks.
bro.
Bro, it climbs like, it just feels responsive, yeah?
No lag at all. Oh, it's fucking scary in the passenger, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Thank you.